name is Kari. I have 21 years old. I'm from Angola and currently I live in Glasgow, Scotland. And I'm here doing a post-graduation in International Accounting and Finance.
Back in the days, I used to live in Luanda, Nova Vida, but actually, my family still lives there. Personally, I have never had any kinds of problems living in Scotland or in Portugal, but probably I know someone who has. The differences between Angola and Portugal are there is much more poverty in Angola than in Portugal. Social inequality happens in both countries but is greater in Angola. Political corruption is a big factor in Angola. There are more private schools in Angola than in Portugal, but Portugal public schools have better education services than Angolan ones. I think Portugal is a good country to live, but certainly depends. If you come from a wealthy family background nowadays, it's easier to get a job and have a stable life. But if not, it's a bit harder to live in Portugal because of the lack of work. If an Angolan person wants to immigrate, I would advise them to go to Portugal, United Kingdom, France, or the Netherlands. Difficult question because Angola had a crisis stemming from corruption and bad governance for 40 years, which has led to current devolution and political, economic, and social degradation of the country. It's hard to say at the moment because there was only a change of presidency recently, and what happened in 40 years is difficult to undo in 2 years. The most famous music style in Angola are samba kizomba and kuduro.